Vic Roy.
Tornado watch remains in effect for our central and southern counties, and we continue to watch any of these storms that may go severe here within the next 3 hours, because that watch goes until 7 o'clock. Could be extended, could be canceled. We will just have to wait and see. But further off to the north, I'm not concerned about the threat of tornadoes because the warm front is actually to the south of Tyler and Longview. What I am more concerned about, however, is this heavy rain. What we are beginning to see are the training of showers and thunderstorms, and with that we do have the threat of flash flooding. As a matter of fact, there is a flash flood warning out for the city of Tyler, so please be careful if you're going to be driving home from work really over the next hour or two, because I do expect ponding on those roadways. And any area that tends to flood very easily, yeah, we're probably going to be dealing with a little bit of flooding. And the next area of showers and thunderstorms I'm watching is this just to the southwest of Houston and Trinity County. If we are going to see any tornado-warned storms or storms capable of producing a tornado, it probably comes out of these cells right here, not showing any signs of rotation. They are trying to get better organized, but we have so much wind in the atmosphere right now. We continue to see some of these storms become sheared out, if you will, which means they're really struggling with the upper level winds to really become surface based and to produce those low level severe weather features. But as we look at your temperatures, it is cool where we are seeing the rain. We got 50s and 60s, but a bit warmer there in deep East Texas, or we do have more instability with those temperatures in the lower 70s. And as you can see, the dew points are in the 60s and 70s right now. So where you do see the green, we might see a little bit of a tornado threat come to fruition, but where we see dew points in the 50s, I just don't see it happening. We are still under the gun for the threat of flash flooding. 7 o'clock, storms in our southeastern counties. Front moves through. We start to cool down behind the front and dry out, and then as we move towards tomorrow morning, we're still dealing with some lingering clouds, but we should see a few breaks in those clouds tomorrow afternoon as another front begins to move into the area. Let me zoom this thing out real quick, and you can see this is all driven by this area of low pressure up to our north. The warm front will advance further off to the east and to the northeast, but those warmer temperatures and higher dew points, they're short-lived by this front that will be moving through the area. Low temperatures tonight falling into the lower 50s, highs tomorrow into the upper 60s and lower 70s, so a comfortable day tomorrow. But what if you are traveling on Wednesday? Well, the good news is here in the Lone Star State, no issues, nothing like today. If you're heading out towards the East Coast, we could see powerful storm system moving up to the north and to the northeast. Maybe a little bit of snow in Canada and the Great Lakes region, while we could see a few storms along the east coast. And in the Pacific Northwest, we could very well see some mountain snows there and some showers and thunderstorms along the coastline. Could see a few snow showers Thanksgiving Day in the upper Midwest, and similar story for the Pacific Northwest with another storm system moving inland. But as we look at the next 7 days, we will see plenty of sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A few passing clouds Friday, and we could see a few showers and thunderstorms this weekend and early next week. Now, as we look at deep East Texas, we're going to follow the same trend here. Again, another 2 or 3 hours of a severe weather threat, but that should lift, and we should see plenty of sunshine through this Friday. For the latest weather forecast, you can find that on our website. That would be KETK.